Hi, I'm Spencer. We're here with College Essay Guy at Ocean View High School in Huntington Beach, California for a workshop on the UC PIQs today. Doing these workshops either on Zoom or especially in person allows us to really connect with students almost one-on-one, give them so much more information than they'd get from just our videos or resources online, and really allow them to practice with hands-on examples, questions, and experiences live with a coach.
So I decided to come to this workshop because I'm a high school senior and I'm starting with my UC applications, and I just really needed help getting the ideas flowing. I chose to come to the workshop today because as a first generation student, I was very confused on what a PIQ and a common app essay were. And now that I got help from Ms. Spencer, I feel more prepared and I feel like I know what a PIQ and a common essay is and what I need.
I want to feel like a cheerleader for these students, making sure they feel less stressed, more informed, and supported throughout the college application process. And these workshops allow me to just connect with so many more students beyond just those I work with one-on-one.
I really enjoyed the resources that they were able to give me. I feel like I didn't really have a chance to really put my ideas into motion, but with this workshop I was able to have a nice chart that I could use to really plan out what I should say and what I can say.
One thing I took from today's workshop was when Ms. Spencer mentioned how we should break everything down and not feel like everything is rushed, and to start your essay now and to not wait last minute.
After doing these workshops for the last 3 years, I find it is just one of my favorite things ever to see students have those aha moments, see those light bulbs go off, and really feel like over the course of a workshop, we're watching them understand the essays so much more and feel more confident going into the application process. If you want to learn more, you can visit collegeessayguy.com/workshops, book a free call, and we look forward to hearing from you.